Here I'm going to discuss about abstract class and abstract method in Java programming language. So this all point that I already written because I wanna complete this topic within 10 minutes. So here the first is an abstract method is a method without method body. Here you can see this is the abstract method and this does not have any body. So it's closed by semicolon. But this is the normal method. It has the body part. You can write anything in the curly bracket. And abstract method is written when the same method has to perform different tasks depending on the object calling. So abstract method we can use when this method we can use multiple times within different class. Okay, so that we are using abstract method. And the class has abstract keyword that's called abstract class, and inside the abstract class we can use the abstract method. So if I give here, if I remove or abstract from the class, you can see there is the problem. Test2 is not abstract, does not override abstract method null. Okay, so this message I'm getting because or this require abstract class, then we can do the override. So this null is now overriding in different or classes like SAM, SAM2, SAM3 is there. And other point is we cannot create the object of the abstract class. So if I abstract class name, we need to see first. Name is test2 and I'm going to create the object of the test2. Test2, let's give the name of the object t2 and here test2. So you can read the message abstract test2 is abstract cannot be instantiated. That means you cannot create the object of abstract class. And inside the abstract class you can use concrete method. So it has the abstract method as well as the concrete method. So concrete method, that's normal method we can say, and you can use here or concrete and abstract method both. And here you cannot use modifier default on or this inside the abstract method. So there is the problem. But if you remove except default, that set private public both. So if I write here private, there is no any problem with this or method. Okay, so default keyword you cannot use, default access specifier you cannot use. You can use here normal variable or constant inside the abstract class. So abstract class has constant, so this is the constant b equal to 2, that's fixed, and a equal to so this is the variable you can use. Now I'm going to explain the abstract class. So here you can see the class abstract it's created. So first commenting this all, this is not required in the coding. So here you can see abstract class is there, name is test2, abstract method name is mul, it has one parameter, name is double x, and it does not have any body part. Now you can see test2 that extends SAM1 that extends test2. So here you can see with abstract you can do the override. Okay, so override keyword is not there on the Java programming, but if you here take the cursor, then you can get here override notation. Override notation, that abstract method that's to the override on the normal class. So this is the class SAM2 that extend test2, and this to the override. So here double X. Now or this mul method you can use multiple clause one time declare. Here you can write the body part. So this is your declaration and the body part this place. And this is here doing the square, and here this is the declaration and body part is there. So this terms doing the square root, and this is here declare this place and body part that's written inside the normal class. Normal class you can write and body this time doing the cube. And after that you can create the object of sem1 sem2 sem3, and after that pass the parameter. One parameter is there according to given values that return the output. So it's returning the expected output. So that means here abstract class abstract method has incomplete body. Here declare this place, but the body part you can write inside the normal class. So this is the here normal class. Okay, normal class is there, and inside there you can write the body part. So declare there and body part inside the normal class. So here mul and mul we are using. And other important thing is, so this is here double, and if you give here int, so both are different, parameter are same, so that here this is indicating the error mark sem1 is not abstract, does not override abstract method. Mul double. Okay, this error message it's displaying. So sem1 is not abstract and does not override. So this method both are different. Okay, so that this place you need to give everything same. So mul dir tab and void, this all you need to give the same, then you can, or this is doing the override. So this here mul and this is here doing the override of this mul method and returning or the expected output according to given code. So another important thing is one class can call multiple times. So this here abstract class is, sorry, abstract method is there. Write this one place, you can utilize this in various class like sem1 sem2 sem3. Okay, and now abstract or class we cannot do like this. So this is the important point about the abstract class and abstract method. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.